Hello, hello, and welcome to our answer to the question, what's next? Here's a Kawasaki 750R GPX from 1987 with rear parental issues. And when I say this, I don't refer to its actual adopter, but to its ancestors. Because if you take a deeper look at it, honestly, it's all chaos. Alternator belt is ripped, so there's no charging. Smoke, it's coming all over the place out after you start the engine. Carburetors, they're clogged like a Berliner's nose in a Sunday morning. Therefore, if you try to accelerate this thing, it gets hindered like a newborn deer. Coolant, it's leaking here and there, so we really need to take a very deep look into this. So I think it's a good moment to talk to you about subscribing and liking and commenting on our videos, because you know this is very helpful for us and really motivates us to do things forward. So if you want to see what it means to us to work on a 37 years old baby for 3 months, join us. Peace out.